I can't do it. Hello, it's Trevor with Revo Media. I am going to do the B-roll challenge. The most boring place I could think to shoot around my house is actually a tennis court that I've never seen a person ever on in the last 2 years I've lived here. I am in sunny Fort Lauderdale, Florida. Well, it's usually sunny. It's kind of crappy outside right now, but we're gonna do it anyway. So here we are. Like I said, pretty crummy, very overcast out today. This is the court. I should say I am shooting on a Canon 80D with the kit lens, the 18 to 135. All right, here we go.